Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Today we will talk about the top 10 most expensive drones of the world. The market for drones is growing every year, so it can be hard to find a quadcopter that meets all your needs and lets you take beautiful pictures from the air. The market for drones is growing every year, so it can be hard to find a quadcopter that meets all your needs and lets you take beautiful pictures from the air. If you want to buy yourself a powerful drone, you don't need to look any further. Today we will discuss about the top 10 best drones on the market. Almost all of them are made for serious filmmakers and people who make a living taking pictures and videos from above. 1. Freefly Systems Alta 8 and Freefly Systems Alta 6. The Alta is a great drone for people who are serious about making videos and want to record action. It comes folded up in a case that can hold all of the flying gear you need. The Alta was made to carry heavy gear, and it can hold up to 15 pounds of weight. This makes it a versatile tool that can hold almost any camera, including some compact cinema cameras. The Alta lets you mount a gimbal on top, as well as on the bottom, which lets you take beautiful aerial shots from different angles. The Freefly Synapse flight control system uses calibrated sensors and patented control algorithms to make it easy for users to follow even the most complicated flight patterns. 2. DJI Phantom 4 RTK. DJI's was made for serious filmmakers who need a reliable assistant to help them make another masterpiece. This quadcopter had 6 rotors and 6 batteries to make it more stable, stay in the air longer, and keep it safe. The Phantom 4 RTK can fly for about 35 minutes with a Zenmuse X5 or XT camera, and it can fly for about 18 minutes with a heavier payload like the Ronin MX. The Matrix 600 Pro can carry up to 33 pounds, and it works with Zenmuse cameras and gimbals from DJI. The Phantom 4 RTK comes with an A3 controller and the Lightbridge 2 system, which can stream Live 1000 and 80p footage and support dual video insight and dual operator setups, with 1X for flying and 1 for controlling the camera. 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. DJI's first portable quadcopter was the Mavic Air 2, which looks like a real robot. When folded, this quadcopter is about the same size as a bottle of water, which makes it easy to bring with you wherever you go. The Mavic Air 2 can go as fast as 40 miles per hour and stay in the air even when the wind is blowing at 24 miles per hour. You can stay in touch with the quadcopter for up to 4.3 miles, and a full charge lets it fly for up to 27 minutes. The Mavic Air 2 can see and avoid obstacles up to 49 feet away thanks to technology that is built in. The camera is held steady by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and its 1/2 3-inch sensor can shoot 12MP photos and 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p video at up to 96 fps. The bundle comes with a small controller that fits in your pocket and has a cable built in so you can connect it to your phone and watch 1080p footage right on your phone. 4. DJI Matrix 600 Pro. The Matrix 600 Pro was made for professional filmmakers who wanted a high-end, powerful quadcopter for industrial use. This drone has 6 rotors, so if you lose a propeller, motor, or ESC while it's in the air, it can still fly on 5 of the motors. The Matrix 600 Pro also has 6 separate batteries, so you can be sure that it will still fly even if one of them breaks while it's in the air. The drone works with the full line of cameras and gimbals from DJI Zenmuse, so you can change it to fit your needs. Because it is small and light and can hold 6 batteries, it can fly for up to 35 minutes with a Zenmuse X5 or XT camera and up to 16 minutes with a heavier payload. The Matrix 600 Pro can lift up to 34 pounds and stay stable and safe while doing so. It can fly as high as 1.5 miles above sea level and as fast as 40 miles per hour when there is no wind. The A3 Pro Flight controller and the Lightbridge 2 system come with the drone. 5. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0. One of the best and most popular drones on the market is the Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0. With its 1-inch sensor on a camera that can shoot 4K Ultra HD video at 60 fps and 20MP still photos, It's great for taking pictures of beautiful landscapes from above. A mechanical shutter is also added to the camera, which helps to reduce distortion. The coolest thing about this drone is probably that DJI made it so it can't crash. They did this by putting sensors on it that look around and stop the drone if it's about to hit a tree, a wall, or even a person. With gimbal stabilization technology and a hover function, images are smooth and clear even when the wind is very strong. The Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0 comes with a remote controller that has a built-in 5.5-inch 1080p screen with 1000 C/2 brightness, which is more than twice as bright as other devices. 6. DJI Inspire 2. The Inspire 2 is a powerful tool for professionals who want to make movies. This version of the Inspire 2 has Cinema DNG RAW and Apple ProRes codec licenses already installed, so you can record 4K and 5.2K video in these low compression formats that are easy to work with in post-production. The drone is not afraid of bumps or falls because it has a system to avoid obstacles and a metal composite body. With 2 batteries, the plane can fly for about 25 minutes. The quadcopter can go as fast as 58 miles per hour and can be controlled from up to 4.3 miles away. It can fly in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to intelligent flight batteries that heat up on their own. The DJI Go 4 app lets you connect the remote that comes with the Inspire 2 to your smartphone or tablet. It has a number of smart shooting modes like Active Track, Quick Spin, and Tap Fly that make it easier to take pictures that are hard to get. 7. Walker Voyager 3. The Voyager 3 gives you the best flying experience possible and lets you take stunning HD photos and videos from the air. The camera is one of this drone's best features. It can record 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p video at 60 fps, and the quality, colors, and sharpness are out of this world. The Voyager 3 has retractable landing gear and a 3D stabilization gimbal, which lets it shoot stable, smooth 360-degree video with no dead angles. The flight time is also pretty amazing. It comes with a 3,000-mile lithium polymer battery that can keep it in the air for up to 25 minutes. It can be controlled in 2 ways, with your tablet or smartphone, or with a controller that came with it. If you want to use your smart device to control the drone, the controller that comes with the drone will connect the drone to your device. 8. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The Phantom 4 Pro has everything you need to take photos and make movies from the air. It is part of a smart, all-black system that works well together. The 5,700 mAh battery in the quadcopter lets it fly for up to 18 minutes at a time. It comes with a powerful Zenmuse X5 camera with a 1/2 3-inch sensor that can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and 16 MP photos. The camera comes with a lens that can be taken off and a 3-axis gimbal that can't be moved. You can change the focus, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO by hand with the DJI Go app. The controller that comes with the Phantom 4 Pro was designed for aerial cinematographers, so it's user-friendly and works exactly how you would expect it to. You can connect it to your phone or tablet. 9. Unit Typhoon H. The Typhoon H is a powerful drone with a lot of professional features. It was made for people who like to fly drones. Compared to other popular flagships, its design is a little bit different. Hexcopter. The Typhoon H has 6 rotors, but it only needs 5 to fly. So even if one rotor or propeller gets broken, the drone will still be able to fly back home. It comes with its own all-in-one ground station, so you don't need to connect it to a tablet or smartphone to use it to its fullest. The drone has a front-facing sonar built in to find nearby objects and avoid visual collisions, so you can be sure it will be safe. The Typhoon H also has high-end features like auto return, auto takeoff, and auto landing, as well as GPS-stabilized flight control and 8 smart flight modes. 10. PowerVision PowerRig X Explorer AI Camera and Drone. This PowerVision underwater drone is one of the best ones you can buy. It's a great unit for exploring underwater, recording impressive high-definition videos with 1080 real-time streaming and capturing. Astonishing 12MP photos of marine wildlife. The drone features built-in LED front lights, making it possible to capture perfect images, even in the deepest, darkest parts of the underwater world. The powered egg works perfectly in fresh, salty, and chlorinated water, so you can use it in oceans, seas, rivers, and even pools. It can dive as deep as 98 feet and stay underwater for 4 hours. It has a 210-foot line, a power seeker fish finder that can find fish up to 230 feet below the surface, and a bait drop line that can be controlled from a distance. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below.